my friends, welcome back to Abby's Tech channel. How are you? Hope you are now, friends. In this video I will show you the live price predictions of the Vechain coin. What's the price change goes in the Vechain coin, what's the high price, and what is the current status of Vechain coin in cryptocurrencies market. So friends, before starting this interesting video, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe my channel and stay connected with the Abby's Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates about cryptocurrencies markets. So friends, as you can see now on the screen, that is a live price predictions of the Vechain coin of the last one day. The change occurred in the Vechain coin in the last one day as negative 7.05%. I know very bad change, very negative change occur in this Vechain coin, but don't worry, as you can see here now at this time the jumping of the Vechain coin starts now, so soon the changes are in positive, and the high price of the Vechain coin is $0.144151 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last one day, friends. Now for more details, let's check it out the last 4 hour price predictions. What's the change goes in the last 4 hour, friends? As you can see, as I told you in the start of this video, that the last 1 hour the high explosion starts now in a Vechain coin, so don't worry about the funding of Vechain coin. Positive 1.45% change occur in the Vechain coin in the last 4 hour, and the high price of the Vechain coin is $0.13198 is the high price of Vechain coin in the last 4 hour. Absolutely a good change occur in the Vechain coin. Now friends, let's check it out. Let's check the last 1 hour price predictions. What is the current status of Vechain coin in the crypto markets? As you can see now on the screen, the average change occur in the Vechain as positive 0.19%, and the high price of Vechain is $0.13198 is the high price of Vechain. That is the last 1 hour price predictions. That is the now change occur in the Vechain coin you are watching live. If we look the graph, so now at this time again falls down occurs in the Vechain coin, friends. That is a temporary falls. After a 1 minute falls, they again started jumping, so don't worry about that. The whole change in the last 1 hour is in positive, so don't worry about the funding of Vechain coin. As I show you the last one day price prediction as a negative, so don't worry. Now the explosion time of the Vechain coin starts now, soon the one day price change are in positive, so don't worry. My suggestion for all Vechain holders, that please hold your Vechain coin with the last of this month. I am also holder of Vechain coin, that is why my suggestion for you to please hold it. My plan is that I'm going to sell my Vechain coin on 27-28 April. What's your opinion? Please share in the comment box, and remember to subscribe IBS Tech channel for more this kind of latest news and updates. Thank you so much for watching this video.